Hello and welcome to Parthaviskitchen, a channel with easy to follow recipes from heart. Here's the recipe for Lili Dungli and Batakanu Shaak. It serves around 3 to 4 adults and is ready in just 30 minutes. This curry recipe is from Kathiwadi cuisine, made with simple ingredients and spices. Let's start. Take about 100 grams of spring onions. Make sure that you have nicely cleaned all the dirt. Once done, separate the white part from the green part. Finely chop the white portion of the spring onions. Keep it aside for later use. Now cut the green part into 1 inch. You can use your finger for approximate measurement. Once done, put it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now take 2 medium-sized peeled boiled potatoes and cut them into cubes. Using boiled potatoes for this recipe helps you save the cooking time. The cubes should be bite-sized. Put them in a bowl and keep them aside. To bring in tanginess to this recipe, take 1 medium-sized fresh tomato. Roughly chop it. Kathiwadi recipes are usually spicy in taste and are often made from fresh seasonal produce available in its region. Onions, garlic and green chilies are the usual base for the recipes. This recipe, however, doesn't include any garlic or green chilies in it, but you can go ahead and add green chilies for extra spicy taste. Once the tomatoes are done, keep them aside. Now that the prep work is done, let's start making this dish. In a pan, heat about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, crackle about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds along with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add in about a pinch of asafoetida. Now add and saute the white part of the spring onions. Mix and cook it on low heat for about a minute. Next, add the chopped tomatoes along with 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook it on low heat for about another minute. Once the tomatoes soften up a bit, add the cubed boiled potatoes along with green part of the spring onions. Save a little bit for garnish later. Now for the spices, add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase the quantity of red chili powder as per your choice. 1 tablespoon of cumin coriander seed powder and some salt to taste. I'm also going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but this is completely optional. Gently give it a mix and cook it on low for 2 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of water and lightly mix it. You can find more regional authentic recipes such as Bharelo Sambar, Sev Tametanu Shaak, Chokha Methinu Shaak on Parthavi's Kitchen. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now that the curry is mixed nicely, cover and cook it on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. Once done, remove the lid and lightly mash the potatoes to get a thicker gravy. You can adjust the quantity of the gravy as per your choice. Turn off the heat. Lili Dungli and Batakanu Shaak is ready to serve. Garnish with some chopped coriander and the leftover spring onions. Serve hot and immediately. Serve it with pulkas, chapatis, bhakris or parathas of your choice. Here are some plating and serving suggestions. For individual serving, serve a portion of the curry into a bowl or a plate of your choice. Make sure that it is piping hot to enjoy it the most. You can serve this curry with some steam hot plain rice. But today I am going to serve it with some homemade bhakri. But before that, sprinkle chopped coriander and spring onions for fresh contrast. You can also keep some green chilies on side. Beautiful. Now take the bhakri and give it a small cut as shown. Roll it into a cone and place it on the side. A halo to enjoy Lili Dungli and Batakanu Shaak. This recipe turns out best when made using fresh produce. Serve it hot with some kanda kerinu kachumbar, coriander chutney, multigrain rotla, masala chash and sukri for dessert. You can find all the recipes in the description box below. I'm so glad you watched this recipe. Do give your awesome thumbs up by clicking the like button and subscribe to my channel. If already done, a big thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, happy cooking from heart.